Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. In today's journey, we explore unique wood furniture designs that go beyond ordinary function and step into the world of artistic value and business opportunity. Furniture is no longer just about filling a space. It is about creating identity, telling a story, and offering something people are willing to pay for. When you combine originality with quality craftsmanship, even simple wood pieces can become high-demand products. This is where creativity meets profitability, and where your skills can evolve into a reliable source of income. Unique wood furniture starts with a mindset shift. Instead of copying existing designs, you begin by observing how people live, what they need, and what emotions they connect with in their spaces. A simple table, for example, becomes unique when it carries a distinctive leg structure, a natural live edge, or a combination of textures that stand out. The goal is not complexity, but intentional design. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and thoughtful details can transform a basic piece into something visually powerful. One of the most attractive designs in modern furniture is the live edge table. This design keeps the natural shape of the wood, preserving its organic lines and imperfections. Each piece becomes one of a kind because no two wood slabs are identical. Customers are naturally drawn to this uniqueness because it feels authentic and premium. From a business perspective, live edge tables can be priced higher due to their artistic appeal and limited replication. The production process also allows flexibility, as you can adapt designs based on the raw material you find. Another powerful concept is multifunctional furniture. In modern living spaces, especially smaller homes, people value pieces that serve more than one purpose. A coffee table that transforms into a storage unit, a bed frame with hidden drawers, or a foldable desk that saves space. These are not just designs, they are solutions. When your furniture solves real-life problems, it becomes easier to sell. Customers are not just buying wood, they are buying convenience and smart living. Minimalist furniture continues to dominate modern design trends. The beauty of minimalism lies in simplicity and precision. A clean wooden chair with smooth curves, a sleek desk with hidden joints, or a floating shelf with invisible support. These designs require attention to detail, but use fewer materials. This balance between simplicity and elegance allows for faster production while maintaining a high-end look. From a business angle, minimalist pieces are easier to replicate in small batches, making them ideal for scaling your work. Customization is another key factor in building a profitable furniture business. Many customers are willing to pay more for furniture that fits their exact needs and preferences. This could include specific dimensions, color finishes, or design adjustments. Offering customization not only increases the value of your work, but also builds stronger relationships with clients. It turns a one-time buyer into a returning customer. Even small changes, like engraving names or adjusting sizes, can create a sense of ownership and exclusivity. The choice of wood plays a major role in both design and profitability. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and mahogany are often associated with durability and luxury, while softer woods like pine offer affordability and ease of handling. Understanding your material allows you to position your products correctly in the market. A well-finished pine product can still look premium if designed thoughtfully, while hardwood pieces can justify higher pricing due to their strength and longevity. Finishing techniques are where your furniture truly comes to life. Sanding, staining, polishing, and sealing are not just final steps. They define the visual and tactile quality of your work. A smooth finish with a natural tone highlights the grain of the wood, while darker stains can create a bold, modern appearance. Matte finishes are currently popular because they provide a natural look without excessive shine. Consistency in finishing builds trust with customers, as it reflects professionalism and attention to detail. Another growing trend is combining wood with other materials. Metal frames, glass tops, or even fabric elements can elevate your furniture design. A wooden tabletop with steel legs, for example, creates a strong industrial modern look that appeals to a wide audience. These combinations not only enhance aesthetics, but also increase perceived value, allowing you to position your products in a more premium category. Storage-focused furniture is also highly marketable. Cabinets, shelves, and organizers are always in demand because they address everyday needs. However, making them unique is the challenge. Open shelving with geometric patterns, wall-mounted units with hidden compartments, or modular storage systems that can be rearranged. These ideas add creativity to functionality. When storage meets design, the result is both practical and visually appealing. Branding is something many creators overlook, but it plays a crucial role in turning your craft into a business. Your furniture should have a recognizable style. Whether it is through consistent color tones, signature design elements, or a particular finishing technique, your work should be identifiable. This builds trust and helps customers remember you. Over time, your brand becomes associated with quality and originality, making it easier to attract new buyers. Pricing strategy is another important aspect. Many beginners undervalue their work, focusing only on material cost and ignoring time, effort, and creativity. Unique furniture should be priced based on its design value, craftsmanship, and market demand. Customers who appreciate handmade products are willing to pay for quality. The key is to present your work professionally through good photos, clear descriptions, and a strong story behind each piece. Marketing your furniture effectively can significantly increase your sales. High-quality images, clean backgrounds, and good lighting make your products look more appealing. Showing the process, from raw wood to finished piece, adds authenticity and builds trust. Social media platforms and online marketplaces are powerful tools for reaching a wider audience. Consistency in posting and engagement helps build a loyal customer base over time. Efficiency in production becomes important as your demand grows. While uniqueness is key, having a few repeatable designs can help you maintain steady income. You can create a balance between custom pieces and standard designs. This allows you to manage time effectively while still offering variety. Small improvements in workflow, such as pre-cut materials or organized tools, can save time and increase productivity. Learning and improving your skills is a continuous process. Every project teaches you something new, whether it is a better way to join pieces, a more efficient cutting method, or a cleaner finishing technique. Mistakes are part of the journey, but they also lead to growth. Over time, your confidence increases, and your designs become more refined and professional. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in modern furniture design. Using reclaimed wood or responsibly sourced materials not only reduces waste, but also adds a story to your products. Many customers appreciate eco-friendly choices and are willing to support businesses that align with their values. This approach can also differentiate your brand in a competitive market. Finally, building a profitable furniture business requires patience and consistency. Success does not happen overnight, but every piece you create adds to your experience and portfolio. As your skills improve and your designs evolve, your market value increases. The key is to stay committed, keep experimenting, and continuously refine your work. Unique wood furniture designs are more than creative expressions. They are opportunities to build something meaningful and financially rewarding. By focusing on originality, quality, and customer needs, you can transform simple materials into products that stand out in the market. Every design you create carries the potential to become a source of income and a reflection of your craftsmanship. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.